video is about correcting a disaligned set of pictures. So, for example, here we have this pigment checker, and when I took the image, I didn't align the camera perfectly to the pigment checker, so it's not perfectly straight. So in order to check it, we can grab a guideline from the top of GIMP. I put it on the border. Here you see, and there is a little bit of misalignment here. Well, this one is a tiny bit, but definitely there is much more on the left border. You see, I put the line over here in this corner of the pigment checker, but this corner over here is far away. So there was a kind of misalignment, so it was tilted, the pigment checker. Let's check the bottom. Okay, the bottom, there is a little bit of this sponge over here. Anyway, yeah, let's put it something like this. There is a little bit of a misalignment, it is. Let's check the right border. So we put the line on the farthest one, but the right border is almost correct, but there is a little bit of misalignment here too. So the idea is we want to present these images straight. Okay, so first step is we have to check this one, the constraint over here. So when the idea is that the correction that we are going to do to the visible image will apply also to the infrared, to the UVF, and all the other spectral images, technical images that we acquired. So we have the infrared over here, we have the UVF over here. So the images, the IR, the UVF have been aligned. Okay, so the idea is when I align again the visible image, all the other will follow. So remember to check these boxes over here. Okay, so to do this correction, we use the perspective tool over here. It's under this set of tools. So we have the unified transform, we have the perspective. We can choose it by doing Shift plus P. Okay, perspective tool. So the visible layer is selected. I click any space over here. And so basically we have this grid that we can magnify. So we start from the top right, and we have this handle. So basically the idea is we want to use the blue grid lines that we put close to the corners in order to align the image to that. Okay, so for example, let's see here on the left. So on the left, you see here the line is perfectly touching this border, the top left. But the pigment checker is a little bit down here on the right. So what we do is we go here, we grab this one and we raise it a little bit. Okay, so now it's fine. Then we look here on the bottom and we see that here it's fine, the border, and it's on the blue line, but here is far away. So I do zoom out, okay, over here, and I grab this one so that now it's perfectly matching. Okay, let's look at the other side. The other side it's fine. Also here I see from the writing, the chsosopensource.org, that there is a little bit of a misalignment on the right. So what I do is I drag a little bit this one up. Okay, also I can use this line here to align the writings. Okay, actually, so No, it's this one. Yeah, sorry. There it is. There it is. Okay, there it is. Maybe a tiny bit more actually. Okay, so let's look at the blue line and the writing over here. Okay, there it is. I think it's fine. Let's magnify to see there. There it is. Okay, so this border is fine, this border is fine, and this one is also fine. Maybe if you want to be precise, another bit over here. Okay, so we drag and drop, and we drag this one. Okay, there it is, transform. So this editing will apply to all the image. Okay, so you see now the pigment checker is constrained inside this perfect rectangle. And then also the infrared is the same, the UVF is the same. Okay, also they followed the movement that we applied to the visible image. And this is the method where you can make your photo, your set of photos, of technical photos of your painting straight perfectly as a rectangle, as it should be. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.